Looking for an easy care lifestyle, but don't want to sacrifice quality? Well, this property might be perfect for you. 150 Amberley Circle in Aiken, South Carolina. Now this villa offers over 2,500 square feet. The primary suite is on the lower level, and there is upstairs bedrooms for your guests and a bonus room. The great room and the kitchen are open, and pay attention to the architectural interests and quality this home offers. Are you the chef in the house? You're going to love this kitchen. Check out the quality cabinetry. Even the refrigerator is paneled. It has wonderful granite countertops, a backsplash, stainless steel appliances. You're just going to love to cook in this kitchen. The primary suite is just through this archway on the main level. Let's head upstairs to the guest bedrooms, which have large walk-in closets. There's a bonus room, plus a lovely updated bathroom. Outdoors, you have a lovely patio, a retractable awning, great green space, and guess what? You don't even have to cut the grass. I hope you like seeing this new listing, and maybe you might want some more information, so give me a call. If not, call your favorite realtor. If you'd like to stay up with our valuable information, like our page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and remember, it's your home, your lifestyle, and we want to be your real estate team.